Finally, some peace.
Yay! Let's go! Adventure time!
Faster, faster! Catch me if you can.
Hey! Watch out, little kitty. Oops. Hey, too many veggies. My vegetables.
Hey, what's this?
Rolling toys.
No. My fruits.
Hey! Stop that little rascal.
Shiny toys.
Hey, my spoons. Little kitty.
Meow. Up, up, up. Look at this. Meow.
Where did that cat go now?
Meow. Steady, don't slip. Look.
Is that a cat up there?
Meow. That was fun. Whee! Meow. Meow.
What's this? New adventure. Whoa!
Is that a cat?
Look at it. How did it get here?
Meow.
Rolling toys! Whee!
Ah, my fruits again? That's not a toy for cats.
Meow.
Ready for takeoff. Whee! Meow! Perfect landing. Captain Kitty ready. Oh no, again. That same cat. Spin! Captain Kitty is flying! Not again! This cat thinks it owns the market.
Wow! It's so high!
Clouds look like giant pillows. What is this thing? It moves. It's my new toy. Even the tray is fun for this little cat. Oh no! This cat is on cat gymnastics.
I didn't do anything. It fell itself.
This cat is pure chaos. Someone please put a seatbelt on this cat. It's turning the whole room into disco mode.
Meow. Meow.
This is MYC.
Meow, meow, meow.
Cloud TV is...
Is that cat running a marathon in the sky?
I can't even run like that on the ground.
Attention, passengers. Please don't chase the cat. Is that cat running a marathon in the sky?
I can't even run like that on the ground.
Attention, passengers. Please don't chase the cat.
Meow.
What's this shiny thing?
Ow, the cat found its favorite game. What's this shiny thing? Mine now.
Ow, the cat found its favorite game. Look, it's teaching the toy how to roll.
Did that cat just jump out of the plane?
Only this cat would do something like that.
Safe landing. Cat flowers everywhere. Whee!
Steady, careful, meow meow. This is my kingdom. Look!
That cat is walking on the... That cat again. It's back.
Don't let it near the tomatoes this time.
Look at it running through the market like it owns the place. My toy! That cat again. Look at it go. It's a one-cat toy tornado.
My candies!
Hey,
That's a spoon, not a toy.
look at it using a spoon like a tiny chef. Someone give this cat its own kitchen already.
Not the fruits again.
That cat is a one-cat fruit tornado.
Rolling toys.
Look, that cat is jumping across rooftops.
It's a tiny ninja cat.
New adventure.
That cat is exploring everything today.
Someone give this cat a...
That cat is walking like the boss of the truck.
Look at it go. So confident up there.
Careful, don't knock anything over.
Meow. Whee.
Back in my airplane.
Meow, meow. Round and round, let's play.
That cat spins faster than any That cat is turning the airplane into a library disaster.
Attention, passengers. Please do not chase the flying books.
The cake! That cat again! Attention, passengers. Captain Kitty is experimenting with dessert physics. Look at that cat, so proud of itself. Even after all the chaos, it's just happy. That cat is making a flower storm.
Look at it go.
It's a little garden fairy.
That cat again. My fruits.
It's a one-cat market store.
Look at it go, so playful and fearless.
My fruits.
That cat again. Look at it go. A one-cat fruit and veggie storm.
Ow, the little explorer finally rests.
Look at that tail wag. Happy kitty indeed.
Ow, the little adventurer says goodbye.
Look at that tiny meow. So peaceful now.
Meow meow, all done, what a day.